Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore WordPress SEO after plugin conflict. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left-hand menu. Identify the plugins that could be conflicting with your SEO. Deactivate the suspected plugins one by one. After each deactivation, check your site SEO using any SEO tool of your choice. If the problem resolves after a specific plugin is deactivated, you have found the conflict. Next, look for an alternative plugin that offers similar functionality. Install and activate the new plugin while keeping your SEO in mind. After installation, reconfigure the settings to align with your SEO strategy. Run a thorough check on your site's SEO again to ensure everything is functioning properly. If issues persist, consider re-enabling the original plugin but adjusting its settings. Check for any updates available for the problematic plugins. Install any updates and test your site's SEO once more. If the issue is still unresolved, consult the plugin's support forum for help. Document any changes you make for future reference. Once your SEO is back on track, monitor it frequently for any fluctuations. Consider running regular backups to prevent future conflicts and losses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.